Hey, welcome to Task Tracker. If you're an airdrop hunter looking to unlock the next big opportunity, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the latest Ducat campaign, a step-by-step guide to help you qualify for their potential airdrop and stack up those Quanta points. First up, Quanta point farming. Head over to the Ducat website, connect your wallet, and start with the basic missions. Follow Ducat on X, join their Discord, like and retweet their posts, and share your referral link. Want to level up? Join their NFT and partner communities, chat in Discord, and invite friends to boost your points. The more Quanta points, the better your shot at those future token rewards. Next, let's talk galxe tasks. Go to galxe.com, find the Ducat campaign, and smash through the daily check-ins, social follows, and Discord verifications. Sometimes there are on-chain tasks too. Don't skip them. Pro tip: check in daily to climb that leaderboard. Now for the Ducat Testnet. Switch to mutinynet using xverse or unisat, claim your test tokens from the Ducat faucet, and create your first vault on Testnet. The trick here is to stay active. Deposit, withdraw, and repeat. The more you interact, the higher your eligibility for the airdrop snapshot. Here's what you need to know. The airdrop is confirmed by the team, rewards are coming, and Ducat is backed by some big names like CMS Holdings. Final tips: stay active in Discord, turn on Twitter notifications, and keep proof of your activities. The more engaged you are, the more you could earn. Thanks for watching Task Tracker. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on the next airdrop guide.